Let's now see how you can manage clients as well on Tobu. So let's explore that option. So on the jobs panel on the left, once you click on that, you should see all the jobs that you are currently working on. So it is very easy to add clients. So there will be a create client option on top on the blue panel. So you simply hit that. You fill in the client details, say create new client, and that's it. A client has been added. Now, once you do that, when you actually create a job, you can tag the job by this particular client. So you see that there's a pick client option. So you can always tag that job by this particular client and create a job. Once that is done, you should see the client name against each job. So this, for example, and then you can actually filter your jobs by client. So if you want to see all the jobs that you are working on for a particular client, you can simply click on the client and you should see all the details. Right now, against each client, you will also see some quick statistics. For example, the total positions you're working on, the total candidates, average time to hire, total candidates hired, etc., the point of contact. So all these details are very readily available, and it becomes very, very simple to manage all the data with respect to your clients.